Okie dokie. This is it. This is the BraX2. Really nice security seal. And we're going to unbox it. And I'm going to take you through the setup process like Rob takes us through, and we'll see how far we can get. I'm trying to figure out why this needs to come off when apparently it only slides in and out. So I'm trying to figure that out. Okay, that's just plain funny. So the factory seal way over here doesn't do anything because I took it off and I was just clawing into the cardboard. Factory seal should have been over here. Wait, so I tried to rip that part open and that part is glued. The factory seal should have been over. Oh, right here. Crumb. Factory seal should have been right there. That's where the factory seal should have been. So instead, they put it right there. So, Rob, now what do I do? Because it says do not accept it if the factory seal isn't there. But the factory seal was in the wrong place. Factory sealed. Do not accept if seal is broken or tampered with. How about if the factory seal was put in the wrong place? Okay. So